Get ready for the dictation. 3, 2, 1, start. By this petition, under Articles 226 and 227 of the Constitution of India, the petitioner insurance company has sought to challenge the award granted by the Motor Accident Claims Tribunal in MVC number 298 of 1994. Full stop. The tribunal decided MVC numbers 298, 299, 300, 337 and 352 of 1994 by one common judgment, allowing the claims, and with reference to claim case number 298 of 1994, it had awarded the total compensation of rupees 4,97,500. Full stop para. The accident in question had taken place on 21/11/1993 at about 3:10 p.m. Murlidhar, deceased, now died, were traveling in a tempo bearing registration number CNG 8836 from Udupi to Kapu. Full stop. At that time, according to claimant's case, a bus bearing registration number CNG 9385 came from opposite direction in a high speed and in a rash and negligent manner from the wrong side of the road and hit a portion of the tempo in which deceased Murlidhar and others were traveling. Full stop. As a result of injuries, Murlidhar died and others suffered injuries. Full stop. The claimants in the claim petition number 298 of 1994, namely, father, mother, and two sisters of the deceased, filled the claim petition claiming compensation to the tune of rupees 15 lakh. Full stop. According to the case of the claimants, deceased Murlidhar was working as a mechanical engineer at BEML, Kolar district. Full stop. The claimants also alleged that he was ready for promotion at that time, but of his untimely death. Full stop. According to the claimants, he had a bright future. Full stop. The claimants alleged his salary to be rupees 4,640 per month. Full stop. The tribunal, after considering the evidence, held that the accident in question had taken place on the date and time and place as alleged on account of rash and negligent driving of the bus bearing number CNG 9385, and Murlidhar died on account of accident. Full stop. It further found that the respondents failed to prove any contributory negligence and the sole cause of accident, according to the tribunal, was rash and negligent driving of the bus bearing number CNG 9385. Full stop. After having recorded these findings, the tribunal proceeded to assess the compensation. Full stop. The tribunal awarded the compensation under the following heads as under. Full stop para. As held by the Honorable Supreme Court in the case of Narendra Kumar and another versus Yerenisa and others, and in the case of Chinnamma George and others versus N.K. Raju and another, but the insurance company's right to appeal has been restricted and limited to the defences available under Section 149 within bracket 2 of the Motor Vehicles Act, 1988, and as insurance company is not entitled to challenge the quantum of compensation or cause of injury, the petitioner insurance company has taken the recourse of filing this writ petition. Full stop. The learned counsel submitted that in view of the decision of the Supreme Court in late Chandra Kumar versus Union of India and others, and the full bench decision of the Guwahati High Court in the case of Srimati Milan Rani Shah versus New India Assurance Company Limited, Agartala and others, The present writ petition maintainable at the instance of the insurance company. Full stop. Thank you.